Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Tuesday, July 29th, 2025. Guys, it's a new day filled with new opportunities. Let's make sure we capitalize on these opportunities. Not worried about the wins and losses, 100% focused on the process. And we're going to see how today turns out. So let's see what trades we take. All right, guys, pretty close to getting filled here on this potential short. Boom. There you guys have it. Continuation trade, guys. Change the state deliver right here. Boom. Continuation lower. Nice decent size gap. Oh, just a gap, really, not nice decent size. It is what it is. Price came, pulled back into it. Stop loss is at this minor swing pivot here. And again, we're in on this trade, right? Don't control the outcome. Don't control where the price wants to go. I just control my mindset and the power to control what this little index finger does when it clicks in and out of trades, right? So we are in it. And now I'll update you guys when in a little bit, see how it's all playing out. All right, guys, you might have heard that. Order was just filled on that one. Trade ended up working out pretty good. Again, guys, we do not control the trade. We do not control the direction. We have a setup that we keep looking for. We take it regardless of outcome. We know that the probability is eventually long-term. Law of large numbers. They'll eventually come out and we'll be able to start to grow these accounts. So thankfully, this one ended up working in our favor. Managed our risk, took the trade, accepted the randomness, and worked out for a full plus 2R. So right now it's currently 727. We'll wait around, see what other trades we could take, and I'll update you guys here in a bit. Order filled. All right, guys. Order was filled right there. Another continuation trade that presented itself. Here you guys see. Gave it a little pullback. Boom. Changed the state delivery here. Very small gap right there. Price pulled back into it. And again, guys, we are in. Do I think this is the best gap? Do I think this is continuation? Do I think this is going to continue to go lower, guys? What I think really doesn't matter. I've learned that throughout these backtesting and taking these setups. What I really think, I'm never right for the most part, but I do know that once the setup presents itself, I need to make sure I'm available to take the setup and accept the randomness, accept the risk, and accept that whatever's going to happen is going to happen, right? If price wants to go down here for plus 2R, that's going to be great. If price wants to reverse against me and take me out for a full stop loss, that is great as well. But I'm making myself available and making sure I take the trade. So I'll be back in a little bit and I'll update you guys on how it plays out. All right, guys, here we are back on the charts. As you guys see here, went a little bit of drawdown, but ultimately the trade ended up working for us for a full plus 2R. Again, guys, as I mentioned in that last little clip, did I feel confident about the setup? Not 100%. But me understanding that trading is all random, guys, that all I have to do is make sure I take every single valid setup that does present itself. Regardless of outcome, guys, I accept the randomness, I accept the risk, and I just have to let the probabilities play out long term. I have my backtesting data, I have my 40% win rate that I expect to play out over the long term. And thankfully, this one ended up working out in my favor. Again, I don't control the direction. I understood that, and I just had to jump in on it and let it all go to wherever it was going to go. So with all that being said, as you guys can see here, it's currently 8:33. We are done for the day. Well, actually, we're done for the AM session, but I'm calling it a day. I'm heading into the office, going to finish up this video right now. Going to show you guys the P&L, and no more trades for the day. Took 2 trades, both winners, plus 4 on the day. That's pretty good, and going to lock it up and close up the charts. As you guys see here, I'll show you guys the Apex accounts. Here you guys can see the Apex accounts, pretty decent day, plus $400, plus 4R on the day. If you guys can see here, we did get a couple more accounts. On Friday, I thought I was going to lose my my funded accounts, so I bought 5 more accounts. I actually bought 10 accounts with Apex because it was the 90% off. Got them for about $200 for all 10 of them. Thankfully, I was able to pass these yesterday. And if you guys see here, I passed a couple more today with today's trading. Pretty solid day. And we're going to be possibly activating these. It's just a lot of money, guys, but yeah, just wanted to update you guys on that one. My funded futures plus $400, pretty decent day there. Tradeify plus $400. A couple of these accounts are actually in the green, guys, so that's pretty good. We just got to continue trading, keep doing what we're doing, and keep letting the probabilities play out. So pretty quick morning here for me. 2 trades, both winners, thankfully. I understand that it's all random, guys. I'm not going to let this go to my head. The plus 4R, yes, it feels great, but I understand that just as good as it was that they both worked out in my favor, they could have easily just went against me, and I have to accept that randomness and that risk, and just keep making sure that my mind stays level, and that I keep making myself available regardless of what my mind keeps telling me. I have to make sure I'm available, and I take the setups if they are 100% valid, if they follow my rules, if they're what I require, right? So pretty good day, pretty good start to the week so far. We'll come back tomorrow, do the same thing, and look to continue to grow these accounts, hopefully. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one, guys. Peace.